Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled Anticrepuscular Rays over Sicily. So, what do we see here? Well, here we see an image taken looking at the sky and looking off toward the east here. And what's happened right behind us is that the sun has set. So the sun has just gone down below the horizon, not the direction that we're looking, but behind us. We're looking here opposite to where the sun would be having just set. And we're seeing what are known as anticrepuscular rays. These are rays that occur because the sunlight then passes through clouds that are a bit higher up in the sky. So the sun may be below the horizon for somebody on the surface of Earth, but for clouds up in the sky, the sun has not yet set. Essentially, those clouds are seeing around the curvature of Earth and can see the sun still, even though it appears to have been set. And breaks in those clouds can then give us patterns that travel across the sky of light. And in fact, parallel patterns of light and dark that will stretch across the sky. Now, parallel lines never meet, right? Well, not when we're looking off in the distance. In the matter of perspective here, looking at the sky, we're going to see them appear to converge off in the opposite direction. We can see this here on Earth if we look at things like railroad tracks or telephone poles, which we know are parallel and next to each other, but appear to converge off in the distance. It's all just a matter of perspective. So here, with the sun setting in the west right behind us as we look at this image, we see everything converging together, again off into the east. Now we can also get crepuscular rays. Those would be on the other side of the sky, just above the setting sun. So you would see the same thing on the other side. Sometimes you can see that as well. And those are formed by the same type of process we see here. Now, this is not limited to sunset. You could see the same thing at sunrise. It's when the sun is just very close, just below the horizon, that this pattern can become visible. Now, if everything is just right, and it can depend on the atmospheric conditions, you may be able to see both the crepuscular rays in the direction of the sun rising or setting, and the anticrepuscular rays on the other side at the same time. So here we see an atmospheric effect that gives us this beautiful pattern in the sky of rays opposite to the direction of the sun. So that was our picture of the day, titled Anticrepuscular Rays over Sicily. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.